lights on the stage, the music's loud. Arnie and Jenny, let's cheer so proud. Guitars are screaming, the drums go boom. It's your birthday, we rock this room. Ah, hey Arnie, hey Jenny, today let's rock and roll and shout hooray. Blow those candles, make it wild. Party like a rock star, free and style.
Birthday wish ko po ay sana maging healthy po silang lahat po.
Happy birthday. We wish you good health and good health. Happy birthday sa lovely couple. Ate and Kuya, happy birthday and more blessings para sa inyong dalawa.
Happy birthday, Maris! Salamat sa pag-invite sa amin. Happy birthday sa inyo. Thank you for everything and andito lang kami whenever you need us. So,
Happy birthday, Arnie. Rock and roll.
Happy birthday, Mom and Sir, and thank you for inviting us. May you have more birthdays to come.
grabe. Talagang nagulat kami kasi I was thinking na house blessing lang and then ito pala birthday mo. So thank you so much. Happy birthday, Gine. I love you. Yes, of course, happy birthday sa aking mahal na ate.
And thank you sa lahat din. Mahal ka namin. Tapos, kaming bata kami. Alam mo naman yun.
Happy birthday, Insan. Napakaganda mo. Salamat sa invite. Nagmula pa kami sa Nueva Ecija.
Una sa lahat, binabati ko ng happy birthday yung dalawang mag-asawa. Sana bigyan sila ng magandang kalusugan sa kanilang pangatawan sa buong taon at biyaya.
Day po. Dami yung
Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
happy birthday po, Tito Juan, Tita
Happy birthday, para na. Kuya, sana umaba pa ang buhay natin at marami pang birthday sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ompong, Auntie Jenny. More blessings.
Happy birthday, Uncle Arnie, Auntie Jenny. Salamat.
Arnie and Jenny, happy birthday. Happy blessing sa inyong bahay. Happy birthday, Tito. Lagi kayong mag-iingat. Maraming salamat sa pag-invite po sa amin ni Nanay.
And I hope you'll be happy for more years to come. Good health, and of course, thank you for all the sacrifices and for the efforts you have given me.
Hello po, maraming salamat sa pag-invite, Arnie. Happy birthday. At sana magkaroon ka na ng team as project manager.
Hi, hello po, Nina, kay Nino. Happy birthday po. More blessings and more birthdays to come po.
Happy birthday, Uncle and Auntie. Sana po ay ma-enjoy nyo po yung birthday nyo at
Let's lose control. Celebrate tonight with rock and roll. Hey Arnie. Candles, make it wild.
meron mga kasama sa trabaho, mga karamihan, mga kamag-anak, kaibigan, sa sama sa pagpunta niyo.